chicken or the egg? This is one of humanity's oldest questions. So what came first? Okay, so all chickens hatched from eggs, but all eggs were laid by chickens. This riddle tends to bring you in circles. So to solve it, we have to go back to when the first chicken was born. In that time, proto-chickens roamed the earth. A proto-chicken is basically the ancestor of the chicken. Kind of like us with the chimpanzees. Proto-chickens laid proto-chicken eggs, and mutations inside the proto-chicken egg could create a chicken, and that chicken hatched out of the proto-chicken egg. So the egg came first. Because simply the proto-chicken doesn't count as a chicken, but the proto-chicken egg does count because it simply contains a chicken. So now you have the truthful scientific answer. The egg came first. Thank you for watching. Bye!